Hello. I'm redoing the intro because the microphone was terrible, but what I do need to say right now is please, oh please, do not report this mod, because I worked very, very hard on it, and you seem like a very wise person, and very, very smart people do not report these mods. As well as that, I'm looking at two people in the crowd over there. Hello, Potyman and Neester here. Yeah. This one's especially for you, Potyman, because you roasted blasphemy. So, I decided to make, yeah, I decided to make this in petty retaliation. Uh,
Why am I here? Help, this hurts. Who are you? Please don't hurt me.